Today I will show you the origami fireworks. Here's the fast origami I have made. Here's the origami magic ball. You can turn it into a pancake or an indoor shoe. And here's my origami pretty penguin. I used 20 sorry, this is here's my origami flapping bird. You can flop by pulling the wings. And here's my origami spider crabs. Who likes to have some of my origamis? I choose you. Okay. Now for this one. It's an origami mini magic ball. Likes to have it. Okay. Let's start the origami fireworks. The first thing you're going to need is one piece of paper. You'll be needing 12 pieces of paper. Here's what you're going to do. Take a square piece of paper, push it on diagonally, repeat it on the other side. Next, put it at the back, hold this part down, and then you take these parts to the middle part, open this up, go to the other side, you see right these parts over at these lines. Once you're done with that, form this into a water base. And then you can see these lines, fold them up, press it down, and see these lines, press them down, do this on the other side, and there you go, you got yourself a piece. To connect your pieces, here's what I did earlier. Okay, next we're going to open these parts, put on the piece, and over there, you got your 12 pieces, and you like to form this. What you're going to do now is, you're going to push these parts down, next fold them, and once you're done, you'll end up like this. Now, you'll see why these two were not coordinate, but you'll be using them later. You're going to put like this, and then when you're done, you put this away, and here you go. The origami fireworks. I have another origami to make. Over here I am going to make. This is not working.